Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study history for Mpsc Combine. First, thoroughly understand the syllabus, which typically covers ancient, medieval, and modern Indian history. Pay special attention to Maharashtra's unique historical context and its role in various movements. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to study, preventing wasted effort on irrelevant topics. A clear understanding of the scope is your first major advantage. Next, select your study materials wisely. Opt for one or two standard textbooks that offer comprehensive coverage of the syllabus. For instance, a good book on modern Indian history and another for Maharashtra's history are essential. Supplement these with trusted online resources or government publications for specific topics. Avoid overwhelming yourself with too many books. Quality over quantity is key here. Now, let's talk about effective study techniques. Develop detailed notes, emphasizing timelines, significant events, and key personalities. Visual aids like mind maps and flowcharts can help you connect different historical periods and movements. Try to dedicate at least 2 hours daily to history, perhaps 1 hour in the morning and another in the evening, to ensure consistent progress and better retention. Finally, consistent revision and practice are paramount. Regularly revisit all the topics you have studied to solidify your understanding and improve recall. Make it a point to solve past Mpsc Combine question papers. Aim for at least 10 full papers. Analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas, then dedicate extra time to strengthen those specific topics. This approach will significantly boost your confidence and readiness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.